Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck. In this guide video, we are about to simply discuss what actually sound check is on your iPhone and how do you actually use them. So before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further delay, let us get started with today's video. What is sound check on iPhone and how do you actually use it? So, in this video we'll simply discuss what the sound check feature means on iPhone and how you can actually use it. So, using your iPhone sound check feature, you can actually prevent your phone from blasting loud music in your ears, and here is how the feature works and what you have to do to enable it. First of all, let us discuss the sound check feature. The sound check feature on your iPhone, basically what it means is that it tries to keep your music's volume consistent. For example, if you move from a quiet music track to a louder one, your iPhone ensures that that louder track's volume isn't any higher than the quiet one. And it does so by actually scanning your songs and finding each song's loudness. This information is saved in each song's metadata, which basically means your actual and original songs aren't modified. So how do you enable sound check on iPhone? To use sound check, you'll have to first enable the feature from settings on your iPhone. So start by launching the settings app on your iPhone, and in the settings you want to look for and tap on the option called music. So go ahead and search for the music option. As you find the music option, simply tap on the music button which you see, and as you go to music button, here you want to scroll all the way down until you find the option called sound check right over here. So as you can see, under the audio tab you'll find a button called sound check. You can simply toggle this option on in order to enable it, and in the future if you want to disable sound check, you can simply turn this option off. Now here you can also see the EQ, which means the equalizer. You can simply tap on it and select any of these options as you wish, but you want to make sure that you actually understand each of these settings properly. Now you can come back. Now basically it means that sound check is now enabled. Now to use it, you can launch the music app on your phone and start playing a music track, and as you move from one song to another, the feature will ensure that you get a consistent volume label, and that is how you keep your ears safe by preventing extremely loud music from playing on your iPhone. This was the way, and this is what sound check basically means on iPhone, and we have also discussed on how we can actually use it. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.